Now let's talk about the R in S.E.R.V.E, repeat. Because here's what I know after 23 years of teaching. You don't need 500 different sequences. You need 12 really good ones that you can vary with intention. This is what ends the Sunday evening anxiety spiral. Inside you get our recipe box, a growing library of done-for-you lesson plans that are balanced, tested, and ready to teach tomorrow. Each month, you get a new featured lesson plan, fully scripted, physiologically sound, ready to use. But here's the brilliant part. We don't just give you one version and send you on your way. We give you the full recipe, then show you how to adapt it across the month with small, purposeful variations. Same foundation, different expressions. This is how you build confidence through repetition while keeping your students engaged with variety. And this is how you stop spending hours planning every single class from scratch. Here's what this actually means for your life. Sunday night before your yoga classes, you're not scrambling. You're not reinventing the wheel. You're not spending 5 hours anxious and overwhelmed. You're pulling a recipe you've already practiced, tweaking it for the specific students in front of you, and walking into class knowing exactly what you're going to teach and how you're going to teach it. This is the difference between dreading Sunday evenings and actually having your weekend back. This is how your effort starts making you better at teaching instead of just worse at living. When you have actual systems instead of just good intentions, planning becomes something you can do confidently for the month in under an hour.